So today I'm going to teach you how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2016 Fiat 500X. The same applies to any 2015 to 2019 Jeep Renegades and any 2016 to 2019 Fiat 500Xs. The tools you're going to need is you're going to need a little tool like this. It has a little Torx heads at the end of it to remove stuff. The smaller one is for removing the screws for the glove box, and the bigger one is, well, that's not really important. But you're also going to need a panel remover such as this to remove these little black clips that hold the rug to the glove box. You can remove the black clips first, and then you're going to unscrew these. There are going to be 3 screws in the bottom, and there's going to be 3 screws in the inside. 1, 2, 3. After that, you're going to pull the glove box to you, and then inside you're going to need to remove the connector for the glove box light. Excuse me. After that, you're going to set aside the glove box, and then you're going to take a what size is it? It is a 5.5 millimeter socket to remove the screw over the filter door. After that, you're going to pop the door off it. You're going to pull the old cabin air filter out, and you're going to compare the new cabin air filter with the old cabin air filter. Make sure it's the same size and relatively the same all around. Put the new cabin air filter with the airflow pointing down. Put the door back on over the filter, and then you're going to screw this 5.5 millimeter screw back in. Then you're going to take the glove box. You're going to have it in your hand. Then you're going to plug the light back into it, the connector for the light back into it. And then you're going to take the glove box and close it really hard against the thing. And then you're going to open it. Then you're going to screw the bottom screws in first to hold it in place. Then after that, you're going to open up your glove box, and you're going to screw the 3 screws in. After that, you're going to close, and then there should be a side trim panel that you removed when you were taking it off, and then you're just going to pop that back into place. After that's done, you're going to pull the carpet up, and you're going to pop those little black pins in. You don't need any tools for that. All you do is just push it in, and that's it. If you thought this was helpful, sorry it wasn't too helpful, because my camera kept dying. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, or subscribe to my channel, and good luck with your job. Thank you, and enjoy your day.